The rain has been so I'm going to fetch mom from the airport. Yeah, this vlog, I'm not sure when it cut, but this might be part 2, I don't know. But I'm going to fetch mom at the airport, and yeah, I just hate the fact that it's raining. It's gonna make things a little difficult, so I'm hoping by next week, and today's a Sunday, so I'm hoping that by next week the weather clears up so that at least my things don't get rained on. Like this, just that's quite annoying. It's quite an annoying thought. But yeah, again, just super grateful for how things are flowing, and and looking forward to great things happening, and being able to settle in properly and adjusting to the change. But yeah, it's really, really great. I'm excited. I'm a little tired. I slept late yesterday because one of my vlogs was flagged for music, and it's like, how? Because I've been using this music without it being flagged. Like, what is happening? But it's okay. It's in the past. So that should be fine. We should be fine. So yeah, let me go and let's enjoy the move.
Open.
Mangap.
Berlin 1007.
Umupi o zorekomenda lo bizai.
I know, just a different score. So I can say plus for the relax. I'm a
fun. Okay.
So then Chromatic.
This one.
Yeah.
It's a new name.
Yeah.
Michuman Loni or white.
Yeah, you white standard.
Okay. Lo. Angazi ke phela.
I'm sure you can pass this time.
Isakhona endlini.
Or confirm first.
No, but it's fine.
Yeah.
We'll take your professional advice.
Yeah, I'm going to see it.
But to not turn it yellow, and if you don't want to turn it yellow,
just a bit. You stay it a bit. You stay until you need an off-white. Off-white is lightly greenish and white.
But mom, to my book, they must still see white.
Yeah, slightly between.
Yeah. So low.
Because this one. Yeah, just confirm it first.
But this is the one you recommend?
Yeah.
Okay. It's moving day. Hey guys, so we are almost done with moving. All the things, like big things, the bed, TV, all of that has gone to the new home or the new place, and then now we're just left with like the final bits that we need to do, and then clean a little bit, and then we will say sayonara. The rain has been interesting, but at least it cuts off at certain points, so the stuff is not damaged. But yeah, we're still good. Hey guys, good morning. It's still a very rainy day. This weather is going to be like this for the rest of the week, unfortunately. But I did want to paint, and I saw that on Friday it's not raining. Hopefully the painter will agree to do it this weekend, because today I want to clean, but not thoroughly, because we're still going to paint and then clean properly after that, but just clean nje lokhu ukuthi sesifikile. So yeah, we're really tired yesterday. Really couldn't sleep much because I was waking up in the middle of the night. Strange. A new area, a new place, but yeah, I'm excited. A lot of things that we are processing, but yeah, I just want to try and make jungle oats. And I'm really afraid of this gas stove. I hear it go. You see, it's like. Eee! Oh my god. I'm so scared. Let me make the jungle oats, and then I can start cleaning, because I have to go drop off my other keys, and then grab some stuff like non-perishables, and then yeah, we should be fine to like settle in a little bit. We have a garage. Garage. Oh, I didn't moisturize my hands. So right now I'm going to the municipality to cancel my previous rates and see if I can sort out the ones for here, and what else, get those non-perishables. But we've done like a lot of cleaning and a lot of unpacking, so that at least by Friday, when the painter comes, we're just going to move things to the center and he can paint. But it's not a lot of wall space, but all that needs to be painted. But yeah, exciting, so exciting, so tired. Send money guys, send money. I'm using my sauce. So let me go, and I think I'll come back and undo my hair also. Sekukubi namang sayithandi. Apparently I have to wait until 6 or 8 weeks to do the municipality stuff. So okay, I was trying to be diligent, but okay, I guess that didn't work. So yeah, let me go to Mall of Africa to get some food, some stuff. It's not food, but like some groceries. Yeah. Guys, you will not believe what is happening to me. Like, why is this happening to me? I have a chip on my, and I was gonna have a good day. I did my nails, my hair, and then I just get a chip on my windscreen, and I heard it go. My heart sank. So they're gonna try and fix it now. I'm at PG Glass, and they're saying there's a chance that it will, from the pressure, because of where the chip is, it might crack even more. So guys, why is this happening to me? Because I feel like I'm bleeding money right now. Guys, like, why is this happening to me? I am just a girl. Oh, I'm just a girl.
Oh, ibonakala mawuze so.
Yeah, ngiyayibona. Okay, so I've settled a little bit, and I got a bit of a discount. Bless that girl. But okay, I'm thinking to myself, we can't avoid things from happening, but God made sure that the situation would be able to sort it out. So okay, that's not all bad. They just said I must stay away from like excessive sun exposure. Good thing it's not hot, it's been raining, it's actually quite cold, so at least they were able to do it. Let's just pray it doesn't spread. I'm just a girl, like no no, this can't be happening. So I'm just going to grab some dinner and then go back. I need to just stay put. Tomorrow is painting day. I'm so tired. But okay, we're fine. Hey guys, I wonder if I'm too high up, but today is painting day. I'm excited, so we're just waiting for the painters. I want to go to the gate because I haven't sorted out my gate access, so I think it really stresses out the security guard whenever I have people coming through, and he now has to come to me and so yeah, so basically we're going to paint today. I'll show you guys the transformation. The paint color that I like is white. That's what we're maintaining, and also this is like the first sunny day since we moved, so I'm so excited to not be wearing a jacket. But yeah, basically it's going to be white, and I think there's a few things that I'm going to have to go and get that I missed in the list that I was supposed to buy. But yeah, it's going to be exciting. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. So guys, I got a gift from the agents that were helping me sell. So they brought this gift over. I'm excited about a diffuser. I really wanted to buy one, so at least we have one now. And they got me a bunch of mugs. Oh, there's a card. There's the mugs. I wonder if they all look the same. Oh yeah, they're the same mugs, so they're really cute, very sturdy, very good quality, so I appreciate that. So let's get the, oh, and a notepad. It's cute, use it for work. And yeah, I'll just take a picture of it and then unpack these after the painting is done. I'm at Builders now because I didn't buy enough material. However, guys, scream and cry with me. Scream and cry with me, because why is this happening? So let's see if we can get the same paint. Guys, so it's the next day. We've been making some progress with the painting, and also got my lashes done today, just now. So I'll show you guys the progress right now and the finished product of the painting. They should be done today. We started yesterday, so yeah, we are tired. Hey guys, so I wanted to record an outro. We've done a lot of work with the painting. It's done, it's complete. So now it's just unpacking other items. Like I've just packed this unit and have some of my clothes that I need to start putting into the right areas. So yeah, there's a lot of things that have been done. I should have taken leave an extra 2 days, but it's fine. I have to be at work tomorrow. So with the home tour, the empty house tour, I recorded a while ago when it was still empty, but I lost some footage, so it's going to be very, very short. So I'm just thinking of showing you guys that first bit and then showing you guys the parts once we've moved in the furniture and after the changes. So I'll see in terms of editing how I get that done so that you guys see the before and after. And I do know that a lot of people like to see, you know, from an empty point of view, and then once it's filled up with furniture, but I'll see how I manage that. But it's been tiring, it's been long, it's been stressful. But okay, we are in. We're just gonna make sure that we keep it clean, and yeah, just for me to get back to my routine. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy the series. I think the next videos will be just me decorating and settling in, so I'm excited to show you guys that. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Spot has a channel. Let's see each other in the next one.